What's up, guys? We are looking at my new sunglasses by Sojos today. So they come in a little box like this. Love the little gold detailing on there. And let's unbox them. I've already worn these before, so they're not quite brand new. I've got some fun footage of having these at a pool house the other day, so I will link that at the end of the video. But here is the style I have here. Super cute, flexible. I like this kind of retro-y vibe. And then I do have the lens cleaner here as well. So let's unpackage that. Oh, it actually comes with a little case and then microfiber cloth as well. So you can give these a little clean if your fingers end up getting them dirty. And here's how they look on. Very cool. I love how these look with like a little toque or baseball cap. I just think it's like a really cool retro-y vibe. All right, so here's just a quick little look at how these look by the pool. Thought I'd include it. Enjoy.